Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use employees in Zach's service station. First, clearly define each employee's role, from mechanics to customer service. Next, assess your staffing needs, considering busy times and the specific services you provide. Finally, set up a competitive pay scale, perhaps offering $15 per hour starting wage, to attract and retain top talent. This foundational planning ensures your station runs smoothly and efficiently. Once your plan is set, focus on hiring the right people. Conduct detailed interviews to evaluate both technical skills and customer service abilities. Then, provide thorough training covering all station operations, including safety procedures and how to handle various service requests. Consider a mentorship program where experienced staff guide new hires, ensuring they quickly become productive and confident team members. Effective management is key to a thriving service station. Set clear, measurable performance goals for everyone, like achieving a 90% customer satisfaction rate or completing 25 oil changes daily. Provide consistent feedback and conduct performance reviews every 3 months. Also, remember to acknowledge and reward excellent work, perhaps with a bonus or public recognition, to keep morale high and encourage continued excellence. Finally, cultivate a positive team culture where open communication and collaboration are encouraged. Implement modern tools for efficient scheduling and inventory management, which can save your station many hours each week. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your workspace. A strong team and the right tools will drive your service station's success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.